Hi everyone, myself I'm Sanjana from CSC AML. Today's my topic is cubic system. A cubic system is a crystal system in which the unit cell, the smallest repeating unit of the crystal lattice, has the shape of a cubic. It is the most symmetrical of the seven crystals systems with all three axes even in length. A equals to b, b equals to c, and intersecting of right angles. Alpha, beta, gamma equals to 90 degrees. Now, this high degree of symmetry influence the material physics properties much as a harder and mm, simple cubic, also known as primitive cubic. The system features one atom at each of the cubic's eight corners. Each corner atom is shared by eight adjacent unit cells, restricting in a net total of one atom per unit cell. The simple cubic structure is rare in natural due to its low cracking efficiency. Body-centered cubic (BCC). This system has one atom at each corner plus an additional atom located at the very center of the uh, cubic. This results in a net total of two atoms per unit cell. Metals with these structures include iron, chloroform, and face-centered cubic. These systems has one atom to each corner and one atom in the center of each of the six faces of the cubic. This gives a net total of four atoms per unit cell. This is a very common structure of metallic metals like copper, gold, and silver because it allows a very efficient cracking fraction. Common examples of cubic crystals: diamond. Diamond, the hardest the hardest known natural materials. The crystal structures of diamond is made on a face-centered cubic lattice. Example: agent. The agent stones can form in do do dodecahedral six-sided to trapezoidal 24 slide shapes which are derived derived from the cubic structure. Introduction to cubic systems. Cubic systems are the typography of crystal structures to characterized three by three equal axes at right angles. They are also known as isomorphic systems because of their high symmetry. These systems are known in materials and metals, playing in a virtual role in material science. Characterizing of cubic systems. All three axes in a cubic system are of equal length. The angles between axes are all 90 degrees. The high symmetry results in uniform physical properties in all directions. Type of cubic systems. There are three main types of cubic systems. They are simple cubic systems or body-centered cubic systems and face-centered cubic systems. SC, BCC, FCC are there in types of cubic systems. Each type differs in the arrangement of atoms within the unit cell. These verifications influence the material's density, strength, and other properties. There are more edges and verticals, corners, are these all there in the cubic systems. Simple cubic system. Simple cubic system are the smallest cubic systems as atoms each corner of the cubics in cubic systems. There are has atoms. They are they are faced in the cubic system. Each atom is shared among eight neighboring unit cells. They are each faces and each corners have eight unit cells have. These structures is relatively rare and less denser performed to over cubic forms. They are performed you over cubic form. Body centered cubic BCC structure. BCC has one atom to each corner and one atom to another center of each atom. It is more density packed when the simple cubic structure. Materials like iron, my ion and adapted the BCC structure. Face-centered cubic structure. FCC features atoms at each corner and at the center of each facet of the cubic. This arrangement allows for a high packing efficiency. Aluminium, copper, and gold. This all there in the face-centered atom. Mm. Atomic packing factor in cubic systems. AF, APF, atomic packing factors, measures low efficiency atoms occupying space flat crystal structures. FCC has the smallest atomic packing fracture 0.72, indicating maximum packing efficiency. BCC has an APF of 0.68, while simple cubic has an atomic packing fracture of 0.52. Symmetrically and space groups in cubic systems. Cubic systems exhibit high symmetrically classified into 36 space groups. They are specified into 36 space groups. These space groups describe the symmetrical options within the crystals. Symmetrically influence physical properties and the classification of metals. Um, the symmetrically leads to isomorphic properties, meanwhile, meaning inform behavior in all directions. In all directions, they are performing. Cubic crystals often exhibit high strength, high strength or performing in the cubic systems. The material behavior depends on the specific time, specific type. They are materials are performing in the specific time and specific time of cubic systems. Uh, and they're performing crystallographic analyzing of cubic systems. X-rays diffraction is the key tool to analyze cubic crystal structures. Diffraction patterns reveal the arrangement and symmetry of atoms. Crystallography helps in identifying the characterizing materials precisely. Applications of cubic systems in industry, cubic crystal structures are crucial in metallurgy for developing strong alloys. They are used in electronics, especially in semiconductors like silicons with cubic symmetry. Understanding cubic systems aids the designing materials with design optional and material properties. Significance in material science and engineering. Knowledge of cubic systems helps optimize materials performance. It assets in predicting properties like conductivity, dusting, and toughness. Engineers evaluate this understanding to evaluate in nanotechnology and structural materials. Summary and key takeaway. Cubic systems are among the simplest and most symmetry crystal structures. They include simple face and body centered and face centered types, each with unique properties. They high symmetrically and packing efficiency make them efficient in various technological applications. And further reading. For more detailed information, consult trialographic textbooks and specific journals. Results like the international tables for crystallography provides confirmative data. Continuous research expands our understanding of cubic crystals and their applications. uh, Significance of material science science and engineering. Knowledge of cubic systems helps optimize material performance with assets in presenting properties like conductivity, dusting, and toughness. Engineering evaluates this understanding to evaluate the nanotechnology and structural materials. Thank you.